Welcome back to the Big Sweep, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to do a fall deep cleaning of the bathroom. The bathroom is without a doubt one of the most daunting spaces to clean. In fact, that's the thing that trips folks up the most when I chat to friends and family. I've therefore compiled all of my knowledge about bathroom cleaning into a single video. We intend to thoroughly inspect and clean every inch of the bathroom, including all nooks and crannies and cracks and crevices. Bathtubs, tiles, sinks, toilets, glass, and all other difficult-to-reach spots will all be cleaned. I'll put everything into a neat little video and show you how I quickly and successfully clean a bathroom. I'm excited for you to watch. If you just feel better in a clean bathroom, you'll be motivated to clean it, and you will know how to do it quickly and efficiently. Before any cleaning takes place, gather your tools and supplies. All you really need is a DIY bathroom cleaner, some microfiber cloths, a sponge, I like to use a magic eraser, a couple of old toothbrushes, one for the toilet and one for other surfaces, a bucket, and a pad of some sort to kneel on. The first thing I do is organize and declutter under the bathroom sink. It's amazing how quickly unnecessary items can accumulate there, so it doesn't hurt to take stock now and then. Get rid of empty containers and things that don't belong. Take everything out, wipe the shelves, then put it all back, neatly. Then declutter your flat surfaces like the vanity top and the toilet tank. Put items where they belong in the bathroom, or in a basket or bucket to go to another room when you're done cleaning the bathroom. Now, take your DIY bathroom cleaner, video with the recipe in the description box below, and spray the shower, the bathtub, the sink, the vanity top, and the faucets. Spray the toilet, including the tank, the flusher handle, the lid, the seat, top and bottom, the rim, the bowl, the outside of the bowl, and around the base. Go back to the tub or shower, and with a wet sponge or magic eraser, start scrubbing. When you think the surface is clean, run your hand across it. You will be able to feel if there is still dirt or soap scum, so scrub again. When you are finished scrubbing the tub or shower, give it a good rinse, then buff it dry with a microfiber towel. It should look clean and shiny. Make sure to show some love to the outside of the tub as well. When you get to the toilet, start with using the toothbrush to scrub around the screws on the seat, and then around the bolts at the base, then where the base meets the floor. Take your toilet brush and scrub under the rim, then scrub the inside of the bowl. Then, use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe the cleaner from the toilet, starting with the top of the tank. Keep wiping down the outside until you reach the floor and wipe around the base. Toss the used cloth in your bucket. Then dry the whole toilet with a clean microfiber cloth and put it in your bucket. Spray a few squirts of cleaner on the floor around the toilet and let it sit. Now move to the mirror. Spray it with a 50-50 solution of vinegar and water and wipe with a paper towel using an S pattern. Do the same for any glass shower doors. If you have a shower curtain, remove it and put it through the laundry. Pay particular attention to any mildew or water stains that may have developed. Next, take your sponge or magic eraser and scrub the vanity surface, then the faucet and sink. Wipe the cleaner up with a damp microfiber cloth and buff everything to a shine with a dry cloth. Toss your used, damp cloths in the bucket. Take just a second to admire your work. Everything should sparkle. You can run a broom or vacuum over the bathroom floor to pick up any pieces of debris. Take all your cloths and sponges out of the bathroom in your bucket. Then put your kneeling pad down and spray the floor with cleaner, starting farthest from the door. Use a damp cloth to wipe the floor in an S pattern. Make sure to wipe the baseboards while you're down there. When you get to the doorway, gather all the loose dirt and debris you have collected and put the cloth in the bucket. Take it all to the laundry room and rinse all of the dirty cloths, the sponge, and the bucket. Well, now you can stand there for a few minutes to admire your effort. Your bathroom should look like new. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notifications bell so you don't miss any future videos. Click here for another fantastic bathroom cleaning video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.